You can do it! Dino! Oh, there we go! There it is.
I want a dolphin. I want a pet dolphin right now. I got it! Hey, Amanda. It's gonna trip in my mouth.
There's a fish in between your index finger and your middle finger.
No, this is video.
Please don't do it hard. Please don't do it hard. I feel like I can throw up right
now. Is this really happening? Someone got spanked.
What do you think?